Hello! Welcome to another Ukrainian pronunciation lesson. Today we will be focusing on pronunciation of one of the most distinctive Ukrainian sounds, sound of R. As an English speaker, you might find it a little bit difficult to pronounce, but don't worry, your learner is here to help. I'm your host Natalie, and let's get started. Sound R doesn't really exist in standard English. When it comes to finding an English sound equivalent, the closest match is sound made by the English letter H. So let's try to transform English H into Ukrainian H. To start, let's break down English H sound. Essentially, H is an exhale. Try to say hi consciously. You're exhaling. Hi. Pay attention how your air comes out and how your tongue is absolutely relaxed. Now, the Ukrainian H sound. It requires a little bit more effort. We will focus on how to get the chord vibration and how to position your tongue. Let's start with the chord vibration. You know how sometimes your friend is telling you a story and you're actively listening to him and you're like, Well, that's the same type of chord vibration you need in order to pronounce Ukrainian H sound. Try to recall and recreate that sensation in your throat. Put your fingers on your neck to feel that vibration. Great. Now the tongue position. The root of your tongue needs to slightly approach the back of your throat without touching it. With the chord vibration but without proper tongue position, you will end up with some random vowel. Like this means just vibrating. I feel it here. So now let's apply the tongue position. Remember, do not touch the back of your throat. Imagine this is your tongue, now vibrating. These two features make sound H half a vowel, half a consonant, which to my liking make it sound really gentle in words. In general, pronouncing H really feels like humming a song or a word just with the mouth open. Like instead of saying Ukrainians say aha, uhu, or ahe. And now bonus tip for those who can speak just a little bit of French and can pronounce French R. If you remove the thrill from the French R, you will end up with a perfect Ukrainian H. That thrill is actually the root of the tongue touching the back of the throat. Remember, in pronouncing H, the root of the tongue approaches but doesn't touch the back of the throat. It is ridiculously easy. Let me just show you. R, 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 R. Let me know in the comments which way of pronouncing is easier for you. And now let's try to pronounce letter H at the end of the words. Біг, сніг, берег, ворог. And now pronounce H in syllables. Га, го, гу, ге, ги, ї. And finally, H inside of words. Готель, газета, гривня, гарний. I hope you enjoyed learning, so make sure to subscribe to your learner and check out my other Ukrainian pronunciation lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!